Hi guys, how to download Roblox on laptop. What if I told you that you can play Roblox on your laptop with better graphics and smoother gameplay? Sounds awesome, right? In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Roblox on your laptop fast, easy, and 100% free. To download Roblox, you first have to open the Microsoft Store, and how to open it is by pressing the Start button on your keyboard and searching for Microsoft Store here. Then search for Roblox in the Microsoft Store. After that, click on Roblox below, then click on Get. Your installation will start. If you have not created a Microsoft Store account, then create your account and Roblox installation will be started. And boom, Roblox is now running perfectly on your laptop. Build, create, and play unlimited games with your friends. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick gaming tutorials. See you in the next one. Let's play smarter.